we talk about how can you find likes on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on my library down here. We just click here on my library, it's going to take you to this list here, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Just click here on likes. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all likes you have for songs and albums. Then here playlists. So like you see here, I have no likes here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list on your Audiomack app. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.